Good morning, students. Now we are going to see coordination chemistry part 3. The last class we have seen the two type of terminology. One is what? Actually single metal ion as well as ligand. I told you the ligands are different types: monodentate, bidentate, tridentate, as well as depend upon their nature, positive ligands, negative ligands, as well as neutral ligands. Remember this. And now we are going to see the new terminology, coordination sphere. Likewise, coordination sphere is what? The complex of ion, the coordination compound containing central metal. In this square bracket, see here, this is square bracket, isn't it? In this square bracket, the sphere must containing, it is central metal ion as well as ligand. So, the square which is enclosed by square bracket, that is what? Coordination sphere. The central metal atom and the ligands attached to it, so collectively called as coordination sphere. Usually, this is enclosed by square, so it is a coordination sphere. Right? So, K4, FeCN6, the square bracket, isn't it? Likewise, this is a complex. It is known as complex ion and they are referred to as a coordination sphere. Next one, coordination polyhedron. The complex three-dimensional spatial arrangement of a ligand or atoms that are directly attached to the central atom is known as coordination polyhedron. And K4, FeCN6 example, the coordination polyhedron is a octahedral. It is what? Actually, 6 means octahedral. The coordination polyhedron of NiCO4 is a tetrahedral. 4 means it is a tetrahedral. The next one is coordination number. The number of ligand. What is my coordination number? See, we are learning the lesson coordination chemistry. Whatever present inside the square bracket will be considered as a coordination complex. The metal present means it's a coordination of central metal ion. Inside the bracket will be there. It is a ligand, and in the ligand encloses the bracket. No, the bottom of this some number will be there. This number we are going to say it is what? Coordination number. The number of ligand donor atoms bonded to the central metal ion in a complex is called coordination number of the metal. See here, Fe, K4, FeCN, the 6th number. The number is present, this number will be is known as coordination number. It means how many ligand are ready to produce the bond with the central metal ion. That is what coordination number, Fe26. Suppose nickel C4 4. So nickel CO4. So now what will be the coordination number? The 4 will be the coordination number. Here the 6 will be the coordination number. So the coordination number will be in the bottom of the ligand. Next we are going to see the oxidation state. The oxidation state of a central atom. The oxidation state used to see in a metal. So central atom in a coordination entity is defined as the change in wood, where all the ligands were removed along with the electron pass. So see here, the oxidation state of central atom in a coordination entity is defined. The charge it would be here. So it where if all the ligands were removed. All the ligands were removed along with the electron pass. So that were shared with the central atom. So how many central metal ions are producing the bond with the ligands? That is what we have to say oxidation state. Suppose in the coordination entity, it means the square bracket, FeCN6 4 minus the oxidation state of ion, that means Fe is represented as 2. It is written in a Roman numeral. So Fe2 plus represent. How do we calculate this oxidation number here? So how many electrons are shared with the ligands by the central metal ion? This is denoted by oxidation state, right? This oxidation state, how do we calculate? Let us see here the first one. Suppose FeCN6, the coordinated complex here, FeCN6, right? So here 4 minus. So we don't know this ion oxidation state means. So we can consider this is what actually. So X, right? X. Here the cyanide is a negative ligand. I told you, the ligand may be positive, the ligand may be neutral, the ligand may be sometimes negative ligand. So this is negative. So -1 oxidation number for cyanide complex. Cyanide. So we are going to write once again. So X here plus 6 minus 1. Here outside us bracket minus 4. So x minus 6 is equal to minus 4. So x minus 4 plus 6. So total value is, so x is equal to 2. So what will be the oxidation number now? X is equal to 2. So we shall write this for Fe2 plus 2 Cn6. This is what oxidation number of iron. One more example, we shall write CO NH3 here 5 Cl again 2 plus. Now this is what cobalt. So cobalt we are going to calculate. So we consider this is X. This is actually neutral ligand. So it will be 0. So 5 0. This is actually negative. Inside the square bracket we have 2 or more ligand also. Not only one single ligand will be present. Maybe 2 or more. It may be a negative or neutral. This is neutral compound and same the Cl is a chloro compound. It is a negative. This is minus 1 oxidation state. So in the outside of the bracket plus 2 will be there. So x 5 into 0 0. So x minus 1 is equal to plus 2. Right? So x is equal to plus 2. If you are bringing this one automatically plus 1. So totally how many? X is equal to 3. So the oxidation number of cobalt is 3. Oxidation number of cobalt is 3. So this way we are going to calculate the oxidation number. This is known as oxidation state of central metal ion. Right? Next we are going to see type of complexes. What are the type of complexes? In this type of complexes, the coordination compounds can be classified into following type based on the net charge of the complex ion. So net charge of the complex ion, suppose the complex is present AgNH3 this is what actually plus symbol will be there, you know. So depend upon the ligand the complex will be also predicted. So NH3 is a neutral ligand, plus symbol will be there in the complex. So this is said to be a cationic complex. And anionic complex, next one is what? The types of complexes. Suppose the cation is a positive charge plus charge, it is a cationic complexes. At the same time, it will be a minus symbol. See here AgCN2 minus symbol, it is anionic complexes. Suppose NiCO4, there is no charge in the square bracket, so it is a neutral complex. We have no net charges there, so it is. So the type of a complex is also different, 3 types: cationic complex, anionic complex, neutral complex. And second one is kinds of ligands present in the coordination entity. How do it classified? First thing is depends upon the net charge. What's the charge present in the complex? Plus, minus, as well as there is no charge. Plus means cationic complex, minus means anionic complex, and there is no charges present here. This is a neutral complex. At the same time, the second one is what are the kinds of ligand present in this closed bracket? So homoleptic complexes. It means that what homoleptic complexes? The central metal atom is coordination to only one kind of ligand is present, is called. So see here CONH3 6 3 plus C, only one ligand is present. Likewise here also only one ligand. Ligand is what? Water. Or how do we have to pronounce this? Aqua, isn't it? Aqua. This is amine. This amine is present. So inside the square bracket only one ligand is present. So we are going to say this is homoleptic complex. At the same time, suppose 2 type of ligand is present, heteroleptic. The central metal ion atom is coordinated to more than one kind of ligand. See, I told you in the last class, inside the square bracket 2 more compound will be there, 2 more ligand will be there. So see here NH3 is present. At the same time Cl will be also there, 2 different ligands. This is neutral, this is actually negative. At the same time see here NH3 as well as Cl2. So both are ligand. This is neutral ligand. At the same time this is negative ligand. So this type of ligand inside the square bracket means this will be considered as a heteroleptic complexes. So students, in this class we are learning the new terminology. What are the new terminology we are learning? Central metal ion is what? Ligand is what? And then coordinated sphere and coordination polyhedron, and then coordination number is what, and oxidation, how do we find out oxidation state for central metal ion, and what are the types of complexes depend upon the net charge and depend upon the ligand present inside the square bracket, homoleptic complexes as well as heteroleptic complexes. Thank you students, we will see you in the next class.
Okay.